So today we started in class with this example where we left off yesterday. It says a monthly teen magazine has 48,000 subscribers when it charges $20 per annual subscription. For each $1 increase in price, the magazine loses about 2,000 subscribers. How much should the magazine charge to maximize annual revenue, and what is the maximum annual revenue? Okay. Well, the first thing that jumped out to me was they keep asking about a maximum. And if you think back to last chapter, that means that they're really interested in the vertex. So let's just start with what we know right now. Okay, we know right now that the revenue they're bringing in can be found by doing the number of people who are subscribing times the price they're charging. Okay, so if we wanted to know how much money they're making right now, we would take 48,000 times 20. However, they're wanting us to make some changes so we can find that maximum revenue that they could make. If we start with what we know right now, I'm just going to call our revenue function R of X. We know we have 48,000 people right now, and we know we have $20. What it says is for every $1 increase in the price, we will lose $20,000 or 20,000 subscribers. And so here is really what is happening with that description. Okay, so for every $1 increase, you lose 22,000 subscribers. Okay, since they're talking about a maximum, again, what we're really looking for is the vertex. So think back to last chapter on when it was an intercept form, how we found the vertex. Okay, well, the first thing we found was our intercepts or our zeros. So doing what we did yesterday, we are going to solve for x by letting each of our factors equal 0. Okay, and what you end up with is for this one we end up with x equals 24, and this one we end up with x equals negative 20. Okay, well, thinking back to our graphing, all right, that means that our parabola crossed at negative 20 and at 24. If you remember from intercept form, the vertex, which is going to be our maximum, is right in the middle of those. And so we can find the middle of those two by averaging them. And what we end up with is we end up with our line of symmetry at x equals 2. And so we know our vertex has an x coordinate of 2. What that means is if they want to maximize the price, they should maximize their revenue, they should increase the price by $2. And so the price they should charge is $22. Now, if they charge $22, they want to know how much would they actually be making. Well, if you know the x coordinate, to find the y coordinate, you just go back and plug it in. And when you go to this problem and plug in 2 for x, you will end up with a maximum revenue of $968,000.